Ah! Water, calculator, cards, glasses. You would think in 27 years that I would make it to an NAB show. I'll finally be attending NAB this year. If you don't know what NAB stands for, it's National Association of Broadcasters. This show has been held since 1991 at the Las Vegas Convention Center, and there's usually over 100,000 people attending. It allows you to interact with the more than 1,700 companies on display. It's kind of like this. If you plan to go, it will cost you $235 after March 2nd just to get around the show floor, but I found a few codes that should work for you, which is SM12 or EMO2, which will get you an exhibit pass at $50. If these don't work, search the web and you should be able to find something. I'll be trying to do some interviews with a few of my favorite gear manufacturers and seeing if there's anything new on the horizon that will help new and beginning filmmakers and video creators. I'll also be hooking up with some of my favorite YouTube creator friends. If you are going, don't be shy. Grab me and say hello. I'll put a link to the NAB show page in the description below. See you there. I'll finally be attending NAB this year. If you don't know what NAB is, it stands for National Association. Okay, airfare, hotel, conference pass, monorail ticket, transport to and from the airport times 2, meals, and that comes to, holy sh**.